Reef Finance holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, guys. So guys, once again I'm talking about Reef. What's the price changes occur in the Reef, and guys, what will be the next move of Reef Finance? Is in the future the price of Reef Finance will pump or dump? And this video we are trying to detect on the basis of technical analysis. So guys, keep watching this video. And guys, if you want this type of more videos, so please click the subscribe button right now for more update and news videos, guys. So guys, you can see here the right now price of Reef Finance is about 0.020861 USD dollar. That is right now price of Reef. And guys, furthermore, you can see here the changes. Oh my god, the changes update of Reef Finance is going positive 0.85%. Last one day change is about negative 0.52%. Last 1 week change is about positive 13.64%. So guys, from these price changes update, it's clear that every coin not continuously pump for a long time, and every coin you have to fast for some time. You can see here now the price start pumping here, pump faster for some time, again price pump. So every coin have to fast for some time, not only pump, remember that. So if you are waiting for only pumping, so that's wrong. Now you can see gradually slowly the price start pumping. So now in October, possibilities that Reef will also taken a huge pump. So for Reef holders, I suggest holding. Positive 6.9%, the price change is positive. That means that you are in the profit. Anyways guys, what's your opinion about Reef Finance? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.